And welcome back to another video. In the previous video, we've already set up a new number and connected it to our WhatsApp account so we can start messaging over WhatsApp. Now today we're actually going to be building out the business profile to showcase what customers will see when we are messaging with them. So when you log into your Bird account, we're going to navigate over to WhatsApp and we're going to go to numbers. And then here we can see that our support line number is already connected and ready to start using. Now, once we click on this, we'll be landed into the number specific menu with some important information that I just want to quickly go over. First is the WhatsApp status. So these consist of a few different metrics that are very important to you based on the messaging volume and the messaging quality that you do. First up is the quality rating. So this is a rating that's actually provided by Meta on all numbers that are registered on the business profiles. This actually comes from the overall quality of your sending, basically meaning how well your customers are receiving the messaging that you give them. In the event that they raise your messages to be inappropriate or they might not have opted in and therefore mark as spam, this will all impact your quality rating, which will then in turn actually impact your messaging limit. The messaging limit is the amount of messages that you're able to send per 24 hours, and this is also throttled based on the actual trust that Meta has in your business. So over time, this will be gradually expanding. Then you have your send rate, which is the number of messages that you can actually send per second. So it's important to note that these metrics are given by Meta. We don't have control over these, but it's good to be aware of what they actually mean. Now you also have some activity and some delivery overviews. Now seeing that the number has just been connected, we've got no data there. So for now, we're going to navigate into the business profile and actually see what our customers see. Now there's two components, or a few components that we're going to go over. So first is the identity. So this is the display name, which you've actually provided during the onboarding of your number. So we can't change this at a later stage. Due to demo purposes, this is called MessageBird, but I would have otherwise called it Aviary Shop for my aviary shop. I've already added a quick profile picture so that we can showcase our new design logo, but we're also going to be filling out some business details. So first and foremost, I've got a short about section. So birds delivered with love, find your next feathered friend. And then we have a longer description. Welcome to the aviary messaging shop, browse our flock, discover your perfect bird, and more. I'm going to give it a category because we do want to make sure that it aligns with what we're actually doing. So we're shopping and retail. And then I have the option to add some contact details to make sure that my customers can actually find me. We are an online only shop, so I'm going to leave the address empty, but we have our support email that we're going to give, and we have our website. So that we can actually save the changes. And our business account is now updated. Now, with that, we've been able to set up our display name. We've been able to add some information, some business details, and you're ready to start sending. As always, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And I say, happy sending.